guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is the home of all about Valentine. So I have these beautiful compiled pictures of salt and pepper hairstyles, and mind you guys, these are latest, so please do it to subscribe, do it to share, and keep on watching.
60 plus hairstyles ideas for older women who want a new look for this Valentine period. Welcome back guys to my channel. If this is your first time of coming, thanks for coming. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button for my old and new time watchers, viewers. Welcome. Please subscribe. Subscription means support and love. Whether you want to look younger or embrace your age, these hairstyles will make you look and feel more beautiful. Choosing a fresh hairstyle for a new stage of life doesn't have to mean big changes. You can stick with your favorite hairstyles but update it in little ways. The trick is to work with a good stylist who focuses on 3 key factors: your bone structure, your hair type, and preferred maintenance level. To find the best hairstyles for your age or haircut, stylists recommend turning to a celebrity with a similar face shape and hair texture to determine what might look best on you. But there's one myth we can put to rest right now. There is no one size fits all styles for older women. Anyone can look great with almost any hairstyle or any haircut at almost any age. Long or short, coily or straight, there are no strict guidelines here. However, there are some tips and tricks to landing the look of your dreams. So take notes. Find the right stylist, find the right hairstyles, and you're halfway there. Check out these beautiful haircuts and hairstyles for older women as seen on this gorgeous channel. If you want to look gorgeous just like these ladies, then you are almost there. It's just for you to pick an hairstyle and slay. Everyone celebrates Valentine. Valentine is not only for the younger ones. Our older women celebrate it more because they have seen so many years before us, for the younger ones. So they can actually tell how to celebrate Valentine and what Valentine is. So like I said earlier guys, do not forget to subscribe, because subscription actually means love. When you subscribe, it means you love what I do and you love me. Please keep on supporting me. A lot of people watch my video without clicking on the subscribe button. Please and please and please, I am begging. Let's get this channel subscribers to 1K. Please subscribe and subscribe.
enjoy this video. Yeah, this video you just watched. If you do, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, like and share. Yeah, like I said, my channel is all about beautiful hairstyles. Not just any hairstyles, but amazing hairstyles for the young and for the matured ladies. Hairstyle of salt and pepper hair. If you want to talk about salt and pepper hair, I have everything and anything you've never seen about the salt and pepper hair all here in this channel. And if you want to talk about the back to school hairstyles, I have it here in this channel. And if you want to talk about natural hairstyles, I have it here. The salt and pepper hair extension, I have everything here in this channel. So please, after watching this video, just check out other videos in my channel that will definitely gonna interest you, gonna catch your fancy. And also, why I always tell you guys to subscribe is that subscription means love and support. Yeah, if you love someone, you support the person, or else you don't love the person. But if you do love the person, you are ought to support the person. So I want you guys to support me by subscribing. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. For those that have subscribed, I appreciate you guys so much. And for those that have been watching my video but haven't subscribed, this is the real reason I am talking and the real reason I am doing this video. Please subscribe and join this happy family. Yeah, let's get this channel to 2K subscribers. Yeah, we're already getting there. Let's keep going, let's keep pushing, let's not relent, let's not stop. Don't stop supporting me, don't stop loving your girl.